Now it's time to add the new Dagger scope. In the DI project, under the scope package, create a new annotation class called ActivityScoped. This will have the scope annotation and runtime retention. In the app modules build.gradle file, we need to add dependencies for details, DI, and navigation projects. Now we need a component for our main activity. The main activity component will be ActivityScoped. The factory is just a simple factory with a noarg create function since we don't have any external dependencies for this component. And then we'll also add an inject function on the component that takes in main activity as the argument. Again, this tells Dagger that this component needs to be able to provide whatever main activity injects. For the extension function, we're going to need a reference to the component so we can return it in the getSystemService call that we discussed when creating our screen navigation interface. That's easy enough. We can just create the component like we did before, but assign it to a local field, call inject on this since we're in the main activity in this extension function, and then return the component. In the main activity class, we call inject and get component before super on create and assign the return value of that to a late init variable. Before this component can extend navigation depths, we need a module that provides a screen navigator. We'll add the activity-driven screen navigator implementation as well as that module next.